Like, twin, you can wait your turn. Just got a rare find. Look at this Lamborghini. It's a sweet little Urus. It's all white. I like this. Never seen this over here before. You see, you got the gray. Yo, YouTube, welcome back with another POV drive with the Only Carter. Man, I just got out with the Browns today. I was just working. It was a lot of kids today, so that's a GG's. You know, we got a good POV drive today. Leaving work on the way to get some food. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to go to my favorite spot. I'm about to go to Nebraska, so you already know. Hey, y'all, if y'all are new, welcome to the Only Carter. Today's gonna be a great POV drive. Really meeting new people, connecting with people. You know, see, my car's a little messy right now, but that's the interior. This is a Nightshade 2025 Toyota Camry SE all-wheel drive, 232 horsepower, and I really hope you guys do enjoy. Let's get it. Hey man, today was hot. Oh my gosh, it says 101 degrees on the dash. Sheesh. Sheesh. Oh. Great video ahead of us. It was about like, maybe like 110 kids, maybe, or maybe 100. But it was a little hard because some of the staff, like the high school students, they weren't really doing their job for real. My group, we had the best group. Everybody listened, you know what I'm saying? Everybody engaged. You know, kids came up to me, talking to me. Every day, you know what I'm saying? Every day has to be a grind. This Sunday with the Browns, I work 12-hour shift. It's gonna be like really good. I think we're gonna be downtown, lots of people, parents, kids. I think it's about to be like 1,000 people. So I'll let you guys know about that. I might do a little POV, or I might just do like what it's like being a part-time intern with the Browns, you know, something cool. I might. This will be the second video of this week. I got one more video. I'm gonna probably either do it tomorrow or Friday, or maybe Saturday. Do not know yet, chat. These roads are crazy. Pink house, crazy, man. Yo guys, I'm ordering a new screw because I lost the little screw thing for my GoPro, like for my head mount, so I'm just holding it. Probably like $7 or something. It's not that bad. Boys, we are on the way to Nebraska. This will be my 3rd time eating it this week. I am a fiend for it, bro. It's so good. I used to get my hair done right in this store right here. Wow, it's been so long. Bang. Oh, bang. Oh, bang. Oh. Oh, man. Creating videos for you guys is actually pretty fun. Like before, I used to just didn't know what to say. But hey, also big update. Yesterday, we were in Lorraine and I connected with videographer. He was really chill. Got some insight from him. Probably looking to get into like camera and stuff. So I don't know which one. A FX30, I think he said. That's pretty good. They have a FX50, bro. That quality is insane. It's like 6K at 120 FPS. Pretty good. The price range is up there, like 3,000. So it's definitely a good investment. But this, if you guys want like a camera or any type of like video camera, I would recommend getting a GoPro. It's like about like $200, $400 ranges. I think the GoPro 11, 12, and 10s are pretty good. If you're looking into do POVs or anything, get a head mount or a chest mount. I recommend getting a chest mount. But if you want to do like what I do, get like a headpiece. Because I usually put it right on my head, tilt it down. Chest piece is pretty cool. If you're not really social, I'll just get a chest piece. But if not, if you want to ball like me, just go top of the head, you know what I'm saying? Sorry, man, I'm really just hot, bro. It's so hot outside, bro. Look at that. 94 degrees. Man. Talk to me, I don't want to talk. I'm right near my grandma's house. Oh. Look at 12. Thinking they doing something. Dang, what are they doing with this construction? Oh my god, wallahi. Oh yeah, we definitely making this. How's everybody's week going so far? If you guys are feeling generous, put down in the comments how y'all feeling. Tell me one thing that you guys are most proud about this week, because we're already halfway done. It's Wednesday, tomorrow's about to be Thursday, after that tomorrow's about to be Friday, and then the weekend, and then we continue, same thing over and over and over and over and over and over and over again. But yeah, like I was saying, tell me one thing that you guys are most proud of yourselves, or something that you did this week, or something that someone made you happy. You know, just let me know in the comments if you're feeling generous. If not, it's all good. It's all good, buddy. Talk to me, I don't want to talk. I'm gonna get this video out for you guys tomorrow. Definitely will not have enough time to drop it today in 9 minutes. That'll be a sloppy video. Last video did alright. It was alright. Talk to me, I don't want to talk. These houses chill. Nothing too crazy. They chill. What, we in Shaker? I think we might be in Shaker or Cleveland Heights still. Oh, look at the Camry. Look at the Camry, man. Look at the Camry. Talk to me, I don't want to talk. Got 8 minutes left. Make it there at 4:59. Hopefully there's no line. Mostly people get off at work right now, so man, be a cool little POV drive for y'all. I was trying to show you guys the truck of the Browns truck leaving, but it already left. Work tomorrow. After this video, I gotta put my hours in, and then we're gonna be chilling. But yeah, this is a cool little internship. My pops hooked me up to it. The people were chill. My interview was chill. You know, it's just mostly engaging with kids. It's like simple things. It's really not that hard. But yeah, it's a really cool internship, and I'm loving it already. Talk to me, I don't want to talk. It didn't look like this car was moving. I'm not even gonna lie. Biggie Coffee? Never heard of that. Talk to me, I don't want to talk. Like, twin, you can wait your turn. Goofy. People are so impatient nowadays. Talk to me, I don't want to talk. Oh my god, look at that Lamborghini Urus. That's sweet. That's a sweet Urus. Honestly, let's go check it out. Take a video, quick little video real quick. Oh my gosh. Just got a rare find. Look at this Lamborghini. It's a sweet little Urus. It's all white. I like this. Never seen this over here before. You see, you got the gray. You got the gray brakes, you know what I'm saying, man? You know what I'm saying? Hold up, chat, hold up. Let's get a video. Yo, YouTube, we are back, man. We just seen a Lamborghini Urus. He revved and everything. Met him, he was pretty cool. Now we on the way to Nebraska. That's really sweet, man. Hey, it's really fun connecting with people and just talking to people, you know what I'm saying? Just having good conversation. That's all it is, you know what I'm saying? Glad I was able to do that. That was really fun. That actually made my day. Talk to me, I don't want to talk. Hey man, as we wrap up this POV drive, hopefully you guys did enjoy it. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. If you guys like that Lamborghini Urus, if you guys like when I find rare pulls, just put something down in the comments like, whoa, that was sweet or something, you know what I'm saying? Oh man, she knows she goofy. Talk to me, I don't want to talk. Oh, talk to me, I don't want to talk. You guys definitely did enjoy it. I'm gonna give you guys a 360 and then we out of here. Wallahi for life. Twizzy gang, man. Twizzy gang. I don't know if y'all can still see the tire shine. Y'all see that? Still looks pretty clean. I'm gonna probably wash my sister's car tomorrow. She comes back from pre-college on Friday, so. All right, y'all, we out. I love you guys. I'll see y'all in the next video.